Welcome back to another hair makeover video. We're doing microlinks today, so stay tuned. Okay, this is our client here for today. She actually flew all the way in from the East Coast. She came in originally a couple of months ago for a consultation, and after receiving a consultation, we went ahead and decided we wanted to move forward with the Microlink service. So as you see, that we're going to be performing this today. Well, I've already done the first row for you guys. So due to the discretion of my client, she wanted to go ahead and preserve her privacy. However, she did want to participate in the makeover video, so she did provide us with the opportunity to be able to show you guys the inside of my Microlink installation. So we're completed installing all her extensions, her eye-tips, and as you guys can see that we installed all 200 tips in her hair. I just want you guys to I just wanted to open it up for you guys so you can guys see how well her hair blends in with the extensions, the Kinky curly extensions. It blends really well. We are going to be straightening this hair out, but I kind of want you guys to see the versatility and how funky this hair looks. Like if she wanted to like wear it curly, it looks really cute and just really stylish. So just stay tuned for the styling. So right before we started blow drying her hair and stretching the curls out of the tips, we went ahead and mist it with water and a mist of leave-in conditioner. The reason for that is we want to make sure we soften that hair up, and then we want to go in and stretch the hair. With curly hair, it's always best to manipulate while wet versus trying to comb through or brush through. Dry curly hair tends to snag and actually conflict pain on the client. So here I want to just basically open it up for you guys so you can see inside of the Microlink service, just a better view on how well it blends, and to be able to do a side by side so you can see the stretched version versus the curly version. And then we're just going to go ahead and move on to the shaping and styling.